Baseball memorabilia break, number 30. Box 42. Oh, nice. Randy Arozarena for the Tampa Bay Rays. And that is Fanatic certified. Sliding into home plate, I believe. Yep. Oh, no, that's JSA. All right, that's going to TB. Randy Arozarena for TB. Nice. Looks like a monster. 20-something by 30 or something. That is Ichiro's custom hologram. This is Ichiro, huh? I didn't know he had like a memorabilia thing. Nice Ichiro for the Yankees. I mean, it's alright. It's just Ichiro. It's alright. And Randy Arozarena. Oh, sick for the Cardinals. Paulie Goldschmidt for the Cardinals. Sick. St. Louis Cards. Goldie, baby. What a nice box as usual. As usual. Goldschmidt, Ichiro, Randy Arozarena. Awesome box, Huz. Awesome box, baby. By the way, if we did like a random team break on the memorabilia, it'd be like $24.99 a spot if we ever did a random. But every time we do a random, they don't fill, so... Maybe $22.99, somewhere in that area, $23.99. All right, let's look up Tampa Bay. Okay, that's in that one from yesterday. Tampa Bay Rays going to James M. There you go, James. I don't know if that's your first time with us or not, but if it is, congrats. And then we got Yankees. Ichiro. And we got Dennis with the Ichiro. Congratulations, bro. Ichiro. And then we got Cardinales. Cards. Arizona Cardinals. That's Trav. That is... Oh, thought it was Gabe. That was Buybacks. And we got J-Tack. Johnny Tack, Wani Tack, give a dog a bone. It's actually J5 Alive on that one. Sorry, J-Tack. Didn't mean to give you a false alarm.